Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Our body usually emits signals whenever something isn't right. It's no different with our nails. For example, changes in their color or appearance may indicate health problems. In today's video, we'll show you some nail changes and what they might mean. Yellowish nails. Nails may become yellow when they thicken and their growth slows. Such an occurrence may be called yellow nail syndrome. Usually, this is a sign of respiratory problems. If you notice that your nails are growing normally, it can be a sign of diabetes. This disease causes glucose to bind to the collagen proteins in the nails, causing them to turn yellow. Spoon-shaped nails. When the nails are shaped like a spoon, it can be a sign of cardiovascular or pulmonary problems such as bronchitis and asthma. This affects our circulation. With this condition, the concave shape is so pronounced that it's possible to let a drop of water fall on the spoon. Additionally, the shape gives the impression that the nails are peeling off the sides of the finger. It may also be a sign of anemia, hypothyroidism, or liver disease. Black lines under the nails. The so-called splinter hemorrhages cause small vertical lines of blood, which may be red or dark brown in color. These small finger bleeds are signs of infection in the valves of the heart. Another sign that may be related to heart problems is digital clubbing, which is an increase in the distal phalanges of the fingers. White spots. Even if you've never noticed the signs mentioned above, you certainly had white spots on your nails. Some people say these stains are caused by a lack of vitamins or calcium. They say that this problem can be solved by drinking a little more milk. Such blotches have a technical term. They are called leukonychia. They're more likely to appear after an injury to the nails and can sometimes be just an allergic reaction to nail polish remover or a mild infection. Peeling or brittle nails. Brittle nails are another very common problem and can be a normal symptom of aging. If it's not the case with you, your nails may be brittle because they're always in soap and water. It can also be a sign of something more serious. The trick is to notice if there are other changes in the nails, such as color or thickness. Remember that often, stress or some trauma to your nails can cause changes. It doesn't necessarily mean that you have a serious problem. Just watch for the signs and get help from a specialist if you notice something strange about your nails. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.